today we're having a look at this, the Arctic Field Ration, and it's a chicken curry. And it's a high nutritional meal for personnel in challenging situations. Well, I find myself in a challenging situation today. I've been walking for a few miles, so let's see what we've got inside. Love these, it's so easy to open. Just peel them, and away you go. So first off we've got a Choco Crisp protein bar. Something smells funky in here, and that's going to be the bar. Look, it's been opened. So tastes absolutely fine. No problems there. We've got peanut butter. Don't like peanut butter. Ooh, hot chocolate. Yay! That's handy. And with a friend of mine camping, I gave away my hot chocolate to him. We've got some real gum, peppermint flavour, some horrible freeze-dried coffee, a disinfectant swab, the main event, which is of course the curry. It's a freeze-dried meal, so we're going to boil up some water and do that in a minute. Some oat biscuits that feel like they're in many pieces, but that's okay. A spoon which will break the second I try and stir anything, and an energy drink, and a plastic bag to throw everything away in. The energy drinks are really good. I think I'm going to probably start with that actually. I'm quite thirsty, it's a very hot day out here in Dartmoor. So, first things first. Rubbish away. Stow it away so it doesn't blow away. No, this chocolate bar's alright. I'll eat it. Right. Real, on the go. Energy drink with a taste of lemon. It's even got a really handy little fill level here, so you can see it. Open, fill level. So let's do that. Let's start with that. Crystal meth inside. Smells lovely. It smells really potent and lemony. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to prop it up in this pot because the water bladder is quite big. I don't want to cock it up. Where does that feel like? Okay, it's about there. It'd be good if they had that on the inside, I think. Right. Fill it up. Now I've got to shake this little fella. Seal. I know if I shake it without it being sealed, it's going to go all over me and my kit. So I'm going to double fold it just in case. I'd give that a shake for about half a minute. Something like that. Bit of chance to mix up. Got a leak somewhere. Okay. Yeah, nice lemony drink. Let's give it a go, shall we? Oh, it's heaven. It's been a long hot day. It's like drinking liquid lemon sherbet. Yum. It's quite sticky that, so I'm going to break open the swab. It doesn't smell very nice. It smells like exactly as you would imagine, a disinfectant swab. But hey, I've been out for a couple of days, so it won't hurt. Kill anything that's on my hands. What's next? What's next? Should we try the Corani syllabs? It's going to be rank. Let's give it a go. Yeah, look, they're broken. nearly broken. Look. I've had it. Right, let's try that with a bit of not cream Jordanite, which I believe is peanut butter. Again, full disclosure, I hate peanut butter. Oh God. That's actually alright. That's very nice. It's a very sweet, smooth peanut butter. I like that. Never thought I'd say that. And a sweet biscuit as well. It's actually really nice. So, there's a surprise. They're really nice. It's a shame the biscuit's all broken. It's a shame. Never mind. We move on. The freeze-dried coffee I'm going to keep, and the gum I'll keep for another time. Now, here it is, the Kirling curry, chicken curry. Best before 10th 2022. Right, let's open it up. Should we get a hiss? Let's see. Oh, satisfying hiss. Oh wow. That smells amazing. Amazing. And it's a nice look. There's a big handful of food there. God, that smells good. Listen, I worked for an Indian airline for, what, 15 years, and I know what a good curry smells like. Ah, that's pretty nice. Right, let's see what she says on the side. Lactose free, blah blah blah. So we've got the fill line again, just here. And what's great about these, they've got a little tearaway bit there as well, so you don't get your spork all dirty. So let's get some water on and we'll come back when it's ready to eat, okay? First things first, excuse the burnt face. As I say, it's been a long day. Let's see. Ooh, it's swollen. It's on the spork. Ooh. God, that smells really nice. It's like a curried KFC smell coming out. I don't really like KFC, but that's what it smells like. Let me have a look. Oh, salty. Look at the chunks of chicken. Oh, it's so good. That was a really good MRE actually. I don't need that hot bag really. That was a good MRE. These have been really good, these Norwegian Field Rations. I got them from a website called mremountain.co.uk. Really good service. And then do you know what? I've been eating these freeze-dried meal things all for the last, what, 2 days. And this is by far the best one, hands down. Even with the stuff I didn't really like, it was still very yummy. Oh wow. So good. Yeah. I think the chocolate bar thing, maybe because it was opened, it was alright. 8.5, 9. Oh, that might be a 9, you know. I think it's a 9. Oh, I'm getting some more of these. That is spot on. That's been rehydrating for nearly 20 minutes actually. But I use these little eargram pouches. All it is like a jiffy bag really, for zip, but it keeps them really hot. That's lovely, real nice. Like hot sauce, taste in your mouth. It's good. Recommend it. Try one. You won't be disappointed. Alright, so I've made the hot chocolate out of the pack. Let's see if I can show you that, spilling it everywhere. It's glorious. Silky. It's like a really nice machine-made hot chocolate. Very nice. But it can be improved somewhat. And, I'm going to pop a bit of Jack Daniel's honey whiskey in, just to pep it up a little bit. Oh my god, that's strong. Looking at a sheep behind you. It's a little monkey on the toilet.